Welcome, this is a follow-up to an earlier video that explored a simple worksheet macro event in order to highlight the active column based on the active cursor. This is a great tool, especially when you're reconciling data or financial information. Of course, we can use the standard Excel feature to manually highlight columns, but we want a more simplified process. Go to Visual Basic for applications. Make sure to click on the active worksheet, which in this case is called Data. Don't forget to notate your macro with a brief explanation of the macro. Select Worksheet from the drop-down box and ensure Selection Change is selected in the drop-down box on the right-hand side. Firstly, disable these Excel properties as this will enhance the speed and efficiency of the worksheet event. We are now ready to compose the syntax, which will highlight our active column in yellow. You must select the target syntax. Take your time to write this code accurately, otherwise the worksheet event macro won't work. Naturally, if we needed to highlight the active column in another colour and not yellow, then we would switch the VB yellow syntax accordingly. The macro is finalised. We can now re-enable the Excel properties. Finally, we will review the macro before we trial the worksheet macro event. Let's click on column C. Our worksheet event macro is working as desired, which is further proven when we select other columns. Feel free to like this post, subscribe to our channel, or comment on this video.